If you are a crochet beginner and confused about how to make a double crochet stitch, don't worry. Today I'll teach you the easiest and cleanest way to make a perfect double crochet. By the end of this video, you will be able to make beautiful scarves, blankets and so many patterns using this one simple stitch. Double crochet is also known as DC stitch. It is one of the most commonly used stitch in crochet and super easy once you understand the steps. A double crochet stitch is taller than the single crochet and works up quickly. It creates beautiful, soft, loose patterns that are perfect for blankets, sweaters, shawls and many other projects. So to make a double crochet, you need a crochet hook and obviously a yarn. To make the double crochet, first we will make a slip knot and then we will make foundation chains. I have already shared with you the video of how to make a slip knot and how to make a foundation chain. So first we will make a slip knot. We will put our crochet hook inside the slip knot and slightly tightens it. And later we will make foundation chains. How to make foundation chain? We will make few chains. So our foundation chain is ready. Now we will make double crochet. To make a double crochet, you will add extra 3 chains in your foundation chain. And these will count as a double crochet. Now wrap the yarn around your hook. This is called yarn over. This is the base of every double crochet stitch. Now skip these 3 chains because these are our first double crochet 1, 2, 3 and insert your hook in the 4th chain. Yarn over again and pull your yarn through this loop. Now we have 3 loops over our crochet hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops. Then again yarn over and pull these 2 loops. This is our double crochet. Again yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops again. This is our double crochet. Again yarn over, insert your crochet hook inside the chain, pull the yarn. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook in the chain and then pull your yarn. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. Then yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet. So in this way you can continue the row, repeat the same steps in each chain. It means yarn over, insert into next chain, pull through. Then you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through remaining 2 loops until you reach the end. So we will repeat the same steps in each chain across the row. Yarn over, insert into next chain, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Same procedure till the end. So we will continue until we reach the end. Yarn over, insert in the chain. We have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So our one row is ready. Now turning for the next row. To start the next row, we will chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We will chain 3 at the end of this first row. This is our first double crochet. Turn your work, yarn over and make a double crochet in this very next stitch. We will not go inside this stitch because we have already double crochet with this. Now we will insert our crochet hook in this chain and make a double crochet in the same way as I have already told you. Yarn over, insert in the next stitch, pull through the loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, insert hook in the next chain, pull the yarn. We have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull 2 through, yarn over, pull 2 through. 2. In the same way we will continue our second row. Keep in mind that making the double crochet may maintain even tension. Don't hold the yarn too tight or too loose. Relax your hand and keep the yarn flowing smoothly. And for beginners, you can count your stitches and your edges should always be straight. So friends, this is the easiest way to learn how you can make double crochet. By this stitch you can make scarves, blankets, sweaters, bags, table mats, shawls, baby items. It's a very versatile stitch and you will use it in almost every crochet project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below which stitch you want me to teach you next. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting. Bye bye.